Hello friends, myself Kunal Anil Saurkar, lecturer in Electronics Department from Government Polytechnic Achalpur. Now today in this class we are going to discuss about binary to gray converter. Now I am just going to design a logical circuit just for converting your binary number 4-bit binary number into the 4-bit gray number. Let's see in details. Now the learning outcome for this, after watching the video, student is able to design a binary to gray converter circuit. Now today we are going to discuss about the binary to gray converter. Okay, you have to convert your binary number into the gray. Okay, now there is some logical diagram, or you can say the circuit diagram for binary to gray conversion. Okay, now here you have to convert binary into gray. That means what? Your inputs are what? Your inputs are the binary code. Okay, binary numbers, and your outputs are what? The gray codes. You have to suppose here I am just taking the example of 4-bit binary bits. Okay, here the inputs B3, B2, B1 and B0. B3, B2, B1 and B0. Okay, I already written here. These are my inputs. Okay, now the possible combinations are what? These are the possible combinations for these 4-bit inputs. Okay, now even this 0 0 0 0, that means what? In the form of decimal, that is what? 0. 0 0 0 1 in the form of decimal, that is what? 1. That is what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 12, 13 and 14 and 15. Okay, now you have to convert this into what? The gray. Here the outputs are what? This G3, G2, G1 and G0. G3, G2, G1 and G0. This is your what? The outputs. Okay, now for your first bit is your as it is output of the gray converter. Okay, that means what? 0 is as it is. Okay, now for to this you have to just simply XOR this with this 0 XOR with this 0. That means what? You know the output when the inputs are 0 0 in XOR gate, you are getting the 0 output. Now for the next this 0 XOR with this 0 0 0 again what? 0. Now this 0 XOR with this 0, that means what? You are getting here what? 0, right? Now the next is what? This the first bit is as it is you have to take here. Now for the next bit, this 0 with this 0, that is what? XOR, that is what? 0. This 0 with this 0 XOR, that is what? 0. 0 XOR with 1, that is what? Your 1. Now for the next this 0 first bit is taken as it is. But then for the next bit, 0 plus 0 XOR with 0, that means what? 0. And this 0 with 1 XOR, you are getting the 1 output. This 1 with 0, 1. Okay, now this 0 as it is, 0 0 XOR with 0 is what? 0. 0 XOR with 1 is what? 1. 1 XOR with 1, you are getting the 0. Now first bit taken as it is, 0. 0 XOR with 1, 1. 1 XOR with 0, that is what? 1. So 0. Now this 0 as it is, 1 1 1, right? This 0 as it is, this 0 plus 1, that is what? 1 0 1. Now for next first bit as it is, 1 0 0. First bit as it is, the next same way you have to find out all this. Now 0 0, right? Now next is first bit as it is, 1 1 0 1, right? Next first bit as it is, this with 1 0, that is what? Your 1 0 1 is what? Your 1 1 0 is what? Your 1 you are getting. First bit as it is, 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0, right? First bit as it is, 1 plus 1 0 1 0. First bit as it is, 0 1 1. First bit as it is, 0 0 1. First bit as it is, here is what? 0 0 0. Okay, now these are your inputs, B0, B1, B2, B3. Okay, now these are the decimal number for these inputs. Okay, 0 1 2. So you will from just by using this, you will get easy to put where you have to put the ones. Okay, this will get easy to find when in the K map. Now for the logical circuit or logical converter circuit, you want the equations, and you are getting the equation from this. You have to draw the K-map for G3 one by one. Okay. Now I'm just drawing here the K-map for what? G3. Okay. Same. You have to find the K-map for G3, for G2, for G1, and G0. Okay. Now the very first I'm just finding the K-map for what? G3. Okay. Now these are the inputs: B0, B1, B2, and B3. Okay. These are what your inputs. The inputs are what? Please place it properly. B3. This is what B2. This is what P1 or B0. Okay. Everyone knows how to draw the K-map. So these are the values of this. Okay. For the 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 0. Okay. Now these are the values of what? B2 and B3. Here, this is the value of B2. This is the value of B3. This is the value of B2. This is the value of B3. B2, B3, B2, B3. Same way. Now these are the values of what? B0 and B1. Okay. Now B0, B1, B0, B1, B0, B1, B0, B1. Okay. These are the values. Okay. So I'm just considering here the swap equation. So that's why I'm just for this in the swap equation. If 0 was there, you have to just take a complement of the variable. So B3, B2, complement of, okay. So B3, B2. This is 1. So that's why. So here is what? B3, B2 complement. It will get easy to just during finding the expression grouping the B1, B0 complement, B1 complement, B0, B1, B0. These are simple one place. B1 and B0 complement. Okay. So this is the simple K-map for just giving number. Everyone knows how to draw the K-map. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Just giving the number, so you will get easy to place where you have to place the ones. Okay. So for this is what the K-map for what? G3. Now consider only the G3 column here. Okay. You have to place all that ones. You have to place all that one. Where you are putting these ones? I just want to put this one where you can directly just in the number, which is what? 8. Do you not? I just want to place where is 8? Here. Okay. I have given the numbers already there. I want to just place this one where at the 9th column, at the number which is having 9. Okay. Now this one is where? Here. The same way 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Right. So you have to just make a group. Now directly here the group of 8 bits. Okay, we can group the 8 bits directly, and for that this is for what? This is for G3, and equation for this group is what? Called in a group of 8 bits. You can directly just taking the common from this 2. This is what common is what? That is what? 1. 1 that means what? B3. So G3 is equal to B3, and there is no any common from these columns. Okay, so G3 is equal to B3. You are getting this equation, right? Now the same way you have to find out the K-map for what? G2. So the K-map for G2, I am just finding the K-map for what? G2. I already find out for G3. The same way you have to find out for the inputs are same. So K-map is also same. No need to change any. So B3, B2, B1, B0, right? So it will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, you have to keep in mind, you have to just take this 1, 1 before that 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 0. Now okay, just giving number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, I'm just giving the number. Now these are the values of B3, B2. Now these are the values of B3, B3, B2, B3, B2, B3, B2. Now 0 complement, 0 complement, 0 complement. So these are the values of B1 complement, B0 complement, B1 complement, B0, B1, B0, B1, B0 complement. Okay, now and just here is what a K-map for what G2. Now consider only the G2 column. Okay, you have to put this one, 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 this one. Okay, you have to put all this one into the K-map. Where I am just putting this one, I am just putting this one in the number 4. Okay, where is 4th? Here is the same way. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Up to what? 11. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay. Now I am just placing that once in the K map. Now grouping. Here is a group of what? 4 bit is possible. Here is a grouping of what? 4 bits are possible. 2 grouping is over there. Now the equation for this, just taking the all variables belong to that row. That is what? B3 complement, B3 complement, and B2. Now this is my what? B3 and B2. Okay. Now just the equation for this 4 bit group is what? Just taking the variables belong to that row. That is what B3 and B2 complement. Okay, there is nothing any common from this column. So now add this. So for G2, so B3, B2 plus B3 and B2 complement. Now you can see here, this one is simply what your XOR gate. So B3 XOR with what? B2, right? So this is the equation for what? G2. Now this one is the equation for what? G3. Now same way you have to find out the equation for what? G1. Now I'm just came up for what? G1. Came up for G1. So the inputs are same. There is nothing any change. So here is what the inputs are B3, B2, B1 and B0, right? You have to just draw the K-map 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. Okay, same way here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. Everyone knows how to draw the K-map. So this is the standard format of K-map. Okay, now just placing number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now but you have to now see here, you have to put these ones. Okay, you have to put this once. I'm just came up forward G1. So consider only this column, G1 column. Okay, so I want to place this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one, this one, this one, and this one in that K map. Okay, for this one, 2, where is second place? Yes, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, I'm just putting these 4 ones. Now see here, now I just want to put this one here, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, now where is 12? 12. 12, yeah, look at it. Sorry, yeah. 10, 11, 12, 13. No? Right. So 10, 11, 12, and 13. Okay, I'm just placing this all the ones. Now grouping. Now the very first group, this group here is of 4 bit. Now again the grouping of this 4 bits is also possible. So equation number 1 and equation number 2. Okay. Now for this grouping, the equations are just taking the common from this row. This is my 1 is common. That means what? This is my B2. Now just taking the common from this 2. That is what? 0, 0. That means what? B1 bar. B1 bar, right? So this is the equation for this group. Now for this for this grouping, the equation is what? just taking the common from this two, that is what 0 is common, that means what B2 is common, and just from this two the common is 1, that means what B1. Sorry, here is what B2 is common, that means what 0 means complement. Okay, so now add this two. For G1 you are getting this two, B1 complement plus B2 complement and B1. Okay, now it is simply what you can see, this is what your XOR gate, B1 XOR with what B2, right? So this is my what G1. You are getting the equation for G1. Okay, now you have to find out the equation for what K-map for what G3. So I'm just finding the K-map for what G0, right? So here during finding the same way, okay, the inputs are what, these are the inputs, the K-map is same for all this, the K-map is same. So here is what B3, B2, B1 and B0, right? So same 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, standard K-map 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, now again numbering 0 1 2 3, same process, 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, right? Now here I just same way you have to place. I just want to place all that ones, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one and this one in my K-map. Now for where this one I just want to put this one at a number 1. Okay, I'm just already giving the number 1. This one is where at the second, and now this one is at the 5th place, this one as the which is having decimal number 6, that means what here. Okay, now I just want to put this one where at the 9th number. Where is 9? Here. I just want to this one place at the 10th number here. Now I just want to put this one where 13 and 14. Okay, 13 and 14. Where is 14? Here. Now here you can see I place all that ones. I just want to group the grouping is possible. These two groups are possible. For this the equation is what just taking the all variables belong to that column, that means what B1 and B0 column, right? There is nothing any common from the row. Now for this just just taking all the variables from that column, that means what, that is what B1 bar and B0. Okay, now this is 0 1, so that's why I'm taking the bar, B1 bar and B0, right? So B1 bar and B0, there's nothing any common from that row, so simple add them. So G0 is equal to what, add them B1 B0 complement plus B1 bar and B0. Now this is simple what your XOR gate, B0 XOR with what B1. So in this way you are getting the all equations for G3, for G2, for G1 and G0. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Just by using these three by using these 4 equations you have to just design the circuit. Okay, you know the inputs are what, the inputs are binary inputs, B3, B2, B1 and B0, and then say these are these are the 4 input bits. Same way you are getting the 4 output bits. The outputs are what, G0, G1, G2 and G3. Okay, you have to simply design this. Now I just want a logical circuit for that binary to gray converter. Now you know the inputs are what, the inputs are what, B3, B2, B1 and B0. Okay, this one is my B3 suppose. Now this one is my B2 line, B2 input. Okay, I can select the B1 from here. So and this one is my B1, I can select the B1 as an input from here. And now this is my B0. Okay, now these 4 are my inputs. Okay, now the outputs are what, here is my output G3. Okay, now G3. Okay, now G3 is equal to what, B3. Now okay, G3 is equal to what, B3. So I can directly draw this B3 line as your output means what, your okay, B3. Okay, no problem, sure. All right, this is my B3. Okay, now the second one is what, my output is what, G2. Okay, for G2 this is what your XOR gate, B2 XOR with what, B3. So here this is my XOR gate, this is my XOR gate, this is for what, for G2, and here here you can see B2 XOR with B3. So I'm just taking the two inputs, that is what B2 from here and B3 from here. Okay. Now here these are my inputs. So for this is for what? G2. Now for G1 you can see here B1 XOR with what? B2. This is my G1. Okay. Okay. Now B1. Where is B1? Now I can select the B1 from here with XOR with the B2. That is what? From here. Right here. Okay. Now the same way is what for G0. Sorry, is XOR gate. Right. This is what? XOR gate. Now for G0, the output is what? B. This is my XOR gate. And the output is B1 XOR with what? B0. B0 XOR with what? B1. Okay. We can show like this, so it will get easy to understand. Now this is my what? G0. Now these are the outputs, or you can say that this is a simple logical circuit or converter. These are my inputs, so binary inputs, and these are my what? Outputs. Okay. Now all these about the binary to gray converter. Okay. Simple way, you have to just do in the binary to gray converter. Binary numbers are your inputs, and these are your outputs. Okay. You have to find out a K-map for all these outputs, and then you have to draw the logical circuit or logical diagram for, or you can say the converter, binary to gray converter circuit. Okay, this is the simple circuit. Many times asked in the exam for 6 to 8 marks. All this about the binary to gray converter.